In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to handle food and juice stains on children's clothing. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And in today's episode of My Housewife Life, we are in the laundry lab. My niece Chrissy has the most adorable little toddler who occasionally gets food and juice stains on her clothing. I thought Zizi's little juice stained clothes would be perfect for the Persil challenge. If you're new to my channel, for the next 30 days, I'm taking the Persil challenge. Persil is the product that replaced whisk, and it's supposed to be excellent for whitening, brightening, and stain fighting. Let's put it to the test. Here's Zizi's clothes. There's a little spot on that one. This one's okay. I know there's a spot on this one. Now this one's pretty dark, and I think this is just simple food stain that'll come out. I'm not going to wash these with these. I'm going to wash this separately. That one's okay. This one's okay. So it looks like this one, which I knew from the beginning, is the most heavily stained. And it looks like she spilled grape juice down the front on this. Either grape juice or she was eating a popsicle. These little pink stains here, I'm not sure what these are. I do know she was introduced to strawberries this week, so they could be strawberry markings off her fingers. And this, I don't know, looks like more popsicle. Not sure what that is. So we'll see what we can do. Now, the other thing is this. None of these are new clothes. They've been washed several times. So let's see if Persil can brighten up the colors. Let's go over to the laundry area. Okay, let's pre-treat these stains. I'm gonna set that aside. I thought it was so fun to say that we're in the laundry lab today. But I feel like that's where we're at. You know, I'm in a lab, I'm practicing, I'm trying something out. So, I'm going to put the amount of detergent in here that I think I'm going to need for the load. Pour just a little bit on the stain. We'll let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll start the wash. It's been 10 minutes, let's get them in the wash. I'll pour the remainder of the detergent in the detergent bin. And I'm going to wash it on cold. And we'll see what's what. All right, let's take a look at them. Well, these do look nice and bright. I like that. They are certainly brighter. Let's find our bad one that had the, well, look at that. all of those grape juice stains are gone. Looks like Persil met the challenge. Ooh. Looks pretty good. This pink looks about the same. I can't really tell a difference with that one. Now this stain here didn't come out, but again, I don't know how long it had been in there. Strawberry stains are gone. And these little PJs are looking nice and bright. So, I think Persil did a pretty good job. Now once again, let's take a look at this polka dot shirt. It looks pretty darn good. And then the stain on the back of this shirt didn't come out, but the strawberry stains on the front of this one, 100% better. Now here's a question for you. How do you manage tough food stains on clothing in your house? Sometimes the best ideas come from right here in the TNT community, and one of our viewers might need the answer that you can provide. So tell us about it in the comment section below. In the meantime, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share the love by sharing the link, and just so you know, I have raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. That means I have done a lot of laundry, I've cooked a lot of meals, and I have kissed a lot of boo-boos. So if you want to learn more about managing a household, cooking, cleaning, planning, laundry, and health and beauty, then subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for the next video. I think it turned out really nice. Perfect.